72 hours completed by skipping the dinner. So from tomorrow, we will terminate. Yes, we would like to hear the journey.
72 फास्टिंगचा एक्सपिरियन्स वॉज अमेझिंग. करायचं जसं ठरवलं त्यामुळे ते झालं. सो आपल्या शरीरात काय काय असतं आणि ते बाहेर पडणं आवश्यक असतं. आणि वजन 1.5 किलो कमी झालं 3 दिवसात.
म्यूकस लाइनिंग है ना हमारे इंटेस्टाइन में, एक म्यूकोसल लाइनिंग है ना. सो क्या हो जाता है कि एसेंशियल बैक्टीरियाज भी है और सारे वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स भी वहीं से जा रहे हैं, यू नो, इट पासिस and the mucosal lining so many times it gets contaminated and then the body has to change it somewhere na? So the intestine really it changes the entire lining, the new mucosal lining is generated that way. So all these processes are really intensified when we do a proper water fast.
How are your energy levels?
Good it was. This time it was good. I mean, yesterday I went out daily home cooking and all that things I am doing.
Okay.
That
In spite
obviously
of fasting,
I
she's
did.
cooking, huh?
Ah, that's what I want to
Yeah,
know.
that is more.
Yeah.
That is a more
Means
challenge.
I'm cooking for all others and I don't have to even eat.
But it is not that a person has to lie down completely. One of our batch was going during the demonetization period, and there were about 50% of the members were from banks. And demonetization हो गया, and then the workload our batch पहुंची fasting के
Yeah.
pace में भी. So the way the people have worked without feeling tired क्योंकि वो fasting पे थे. सो बाकी के लोगों को टेंशन आ रहा था, आपने कुछ खाया नहीं, आपने कुछ खाया नहीं. बट जो जिसने खाया नहीं है उसको कोई कंप्लेन ही नहीं है. उसने खाया नहीं, आई एम वर्किंग एंड आई एम वेरी पीसफुल. अगर आपके पास एक्स्ट्रा वेट है तो उसको एनर्जी सप्लाई कहाँ से लाना है ये सवाल है ही नहीं बॉडी के पास, क्योंकि उसको इंटरनली सप्लाई मिल रहा है सारा एक्सेस वेट होने पे.
What about the hunger feeling? Like normally when it's your meal time, and if you're delayed, your body will tell you that it's time to eat now.
Yeah.
So what happened to those feelings?
I get some sensation in the stomach. Then I drink water.
Okay.
So that just 10-15 minutes that is gone.
Yeah.
Then you don't feel.